If you want to mute notifications from people who haven't confirmed their email on X, formerly Twitter, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few clicks. This is a really useful privacy and notification setting if you want to reduce unwanted or low-quality notifications and keep your inbox and alerts cleaner. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple X and Twitter tutorials like this. Now let's jump right in. First, open X and look at the left navigation bar. Click on More to open the full menu. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where all of your account controls and preferences are stored. Next, click Privacy and Safety. On this page, you'll find options that let you control how people interact with you and what kind of activity you see on the platform. Now choose Mute and Block. This section is designed to help you filter out the things you do not want to see or hear from on X. Inside that menu, click Muted Notifications. This is the area where you can fine-tune which notification sources are allowed and which ones are silenced. Finally, find the option labeled Who haven't confirmed their email and toggle it on. Once that switch is enabled, notifications from those accounts will be muted, helping reduce unwanted interruptions and making your notification feed more manageable. And that's it. You've now muted notifications from accounts that haven't confirmed their email on X. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the next video for more quick X settings tips.